Welcome, beautiful mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 18. It is all about love. In this session, we will cultivate and celebrate the love that surrounds and fills you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more supportive prenatal yoga sessions. So when you're ready, hop into something comfy and let's get started. Let's begin this session in an easy seated position. Begin to close your eyes. Wrap both arms around your belly and begin to notice your breath. Feel the unconditional love you have for your baby, radiating from your heart with each breath. With every inhale, fill your heart with gentle, loving thoughts. And as you exhale, spread that awareness down to your baby, feeling the love that bonds you both in every breath and movement today. When you're ready, move into all fours. Tuck your pelvis to protect your lower back. As you inhale, raise your right arm straight out in front of you, engaging your shoulders and your upper back. Evenly distribute your weight between both legs and your left hand. Hold this pose for a few more breaths. Exhale, release. Inhale, switch sides. Bring your left arm straight out in front of you. Exhale, release. Coming into a gentle wrist stretch. Turn your hands out, then fingers straight back behind you. Slowly begin to rock back and forth. Gently easing your way to bring more blood flow to your wrists. Inhale, release this pose. Walk your hands a few inches out in front of you and begin to do hip circles in one direction. Flow with the gentle movements of your breath. With each pose today, let it serve as a reminder to strengthen the loving connection between you and your baby. Switch to the other direction. Exhale, come back to all fours. Walk your hands a few inches forward, coming into pigeon pose. Bring right knee directly behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, pressing both hands firmly into your mat. Exhale, fold. Feel that nurturing love flow through you with each gentle breath. Allow thoughts of self-compassion to guide you through this journey. On an inhale, walk your hands over to the left side of your mat, feeling an outer hip stretch. Inhale, come back to center and walk your hands up. Switching sides, place left knee directly behind your left wrist. Extend your right leg straight out behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. As you settle into pigeon pose, take a moment to feel the stretch and opening in your hips. This pose allows you to release any tension or emotional blockages you might be holding on to. Breathe deeply. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stored emotions, making space for love and compassion. Inhale, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat for a gentle outer hip stretch. Remember, this love is not just for your baby, but also for yourself. Embrace self-love and self-compassion in this moment, knowing that you are nurturing and caring for yourself and for your baby. Inhale, come back to center and release this pose. Move into bound angle pose. Come to sit on your mat, bend your knees, bringing soles of your feet to touch. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, walk your hands forward on the mat to fold. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to soften and release any tension. Bound angle pose symbolizes unity and connection. Imagine your heart radiating love, sending waves of warmth and compassion throughout your body and to your baby. Each breath deepens this connection. Inhale, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat. Inhale, switch sides, walk your hands over to the left side of your mat. Inhale, come back to center and release this pose. Coming into half saddle, extend your left leg straight out in front of you, bringing your right knee to the mat, right heel close to your glute. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold over your straight leg. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or resistance. This pose is a beautiful opportunity to practice surrendering. Feel your heart open as you fold forward. Inhale, walk your hands back up and switch sides. Straighten your right leg out in front of you. Bend your left knee, bringing it to the mat. Left heel to your glute. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently walk your hands forward to fold. With each breath, imagine a warm, loving energy flowing from your heart, spreading throughout your body and to your baby. Each breath deepens this connection. Inhale, walk your hands up and release this pose. Coming into side lying shavasana, grab a bolster, blanket, blocks, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. Place a pillow between your knees, a blanket or a pillow underneath your neck for added support. You can even place one hand on your belly to connect with your baby and come into deep relaxation. When you're ready, come back to your practice. With your eyes closed, come to an easy seated position. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, bring your hands in prayer position to your third eye. Namaste. My mission for this 30-day challenge is to help all 4 billion women on this earth build confidence in their true divine identity so that you can build, lift, and serve those around you. Please share this video with a mom, sister, friend, or any woman who could benefit from this practice. Until next time, namaste.